Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can kind of easily, not complete, but level up your Baddie Pass on Dress to Impress. So the first tip I have for you is to do the daily tasks here. It's just worth it. It does add like some XPs. It adds like 450 XPs per day. So I think that's useful. The second one is I do go to farming servers. I use an auto clicker and just leave my PC for like 4 hours. And that completes like one level of like Baddie Pass. As you can see right now, I'm already like at 25. So look how fast I did in like a couple of days. It does end in like 20,000 days. I think they extended it. I'm not sure. But as you can see, I'm like 5 levels to 30. You can also purchase like this to like skip, but I recommend you doing that on the like last day where you really need it, if you're impatient. But I'm just going to level up my XPs from that, and yeah, as you can see, I already got mostly everything. I just need the skirt and the pose and etc. But I have this top and the poses as well. So yeah, that is how you can level up your Baddie Pass on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.